How to make your sleeves short without actually cutting them? Well, basically here I have folded a sleeve and I have already made it short just to show you all, so that I can actually let you all know how you can measure the exact length that needs to be folded. So this part which is already folded, we will use it as a guide to fold our other sleeve at the same length. Once you have done the fold, flipping it inside out like this, so basically you will just flip it backwards and then taking the sleeve which you have already folded, you will start measuring from the corner. See, the height is equal, which means you can now begin to stitch. Stitching is quite simple. We will use these two corner portions. From the inner side of the sleeve, from the upper portion, I will push the needle outwards, which has the knot. And then on the folded portion of the other side of the line, I will move the needle sideways. See, I'm just moving it sideways like this and move it forward. Similar to how we do our invisible stitching. See, like this. Pull it forward and it comes out there. Again, we move it on the top line sideways, moving the needle forward like this, pushing it out, see, and pulling it there. And now we'll go on the down line, take the needle to the other line and move it sideways. It's a very simple stitch that you have to perform. See, like that. I'll just show you again. You have to take it exactly in the same line that you have removed it out and then push it sideways and bring it forward. That's it. And you'll keep doing the same stitch throughout the full circle of the sleeve till you have the entire end of the sleeve covered up with the stitch. That's it. Pull it. And as and when you do it, tighten up the stitch, not too much, a little. And once you are through, push the needle inside. So before I could cut off the extra thread, let me show you both the sleeves together. See, this is the sleeve that we just finished. Don't worry about the stitches that you can see sideways. That will eventually get covered up when you adjust it. See, that's it. Isn't it a very easy trick to make your sleeve short? Now tying a knot is very simple. Take it on the inner side, twist the thread 2 times around the needle, and that's it. Pull it out and that's your knot. We'll just cut off the extra. That's it. And simply twist the extra thread to form a knot. That's it. And that's how your sleeve is. Nice and short without cutting. So in case if you need to open it up in the future to make it longer, it's quite easy. Let me know in the comments how did you all enjoy this sleeve shortening trick, and for more interesting videos do not forget to subscribe. Bye.